Bird and Kip, Episode 7. Kip is bored. It was a bright morning in the park. Kip wanted to play with Bird, but she was away looking for worms. I'm bored, said Kip. I have nobody to play with. Maybe I call it acorns, said Kip. Kip did that for a little while. Soon he was bored again. What else can I look for? Wondered Kip. He found a rusty cat. He found old shoes. He found a slimy banana peel. Yuck, said Kip. Then he found something very strange. He found a person. But this was not a big person. It was a small person. She was as small as Kip. Hi, said Kip. My name is Kip. What's your name? The person didn't answer. She didn't say anything at all. Said Kip. Why don't you talk?